What's up guys, this is your best friend Rush and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Abu Dhabi and we are here for the drag races and a car meetup. So let's get around it, we'll take you guys along. Holy shit, look at that car. There's a massive car lineup today. Some of the cars are just like 1 out of 60 in the world, 1 out of 50. So let's take a line up here. Porsche Turbo. Alright, a lot of noise out here. Okay, check this out. That is so insane. Carbon fiber spoiler. Look at how massive is the exhaust. So you got like one exhaust in the center. That is so insane. This is P1 720S. Lots of cars, still waiting to get into the drag race. Alright, so I think we'll be going to watch some drag races now. So let's go find out. That's 390. Holy shit. That's unbelievable. Alright, so you checked out the drag races and the cars. That was pretty on, to be honest, not gonna lie. I've got the Porsche on the right side, they're all in different colors. Cream, white, green, GT3 RS. Absolutely love the spoiler on that. Nice big mags. Carbon fiber, kitted out hood. Of course we don't like the most popular car. Skyline GT. Sweet spec too. Michelin tires. This is AMG, right? GTR. Good? Oh, nice. I'm allowed to go inside the car. Thanks, brother. Yes, sir? You sure? I hope it fits you. Yeah, I will. Wow. This is life. Look at the interior, it's so flashy. What's the top speed of this?
Top speed? I once reached 345 just here. And I was
Amazing.
yeah. Could go more.
Awesome. This is quite new, right?
No, this is 2018.
This is living. This. That is amazing. Guys, this is what I really love about Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and all of the Middle Eastern culture. It's people are so humble, they're wealthy, rich, millionaires and billionaires, but you can, still ask them to get in their car, they will let you in, let you show around the car, yeah. And I told him he's gonna get a Ferrari V12, so I told him if he gets that, please invite me to his house so I can show you guys what's up with that sort of spec. But we've got the Dodge here. This shit in real life, I don't know, it just feels so unreal because I used to this used to be my favorite car and had the most wanted Need for Speed. And this is looking at the line. Gotta love the plate. So plate of this car will be costly than the car itself. This is a VIP number plate. If I had the choice, I would go for the car. This here, probably my favorite spec. Maroon alloys, maroon color with black. That's amazing. Guys, if you ever come to Abu Dhabi, you guys need to come here. This is a Yas Circuit Marina car meetup. They do it once a year, but because there's just Ramadan, so they'll just do another meetup, which is awesome. That's why we're here. So you can look at all of this stuff. Oh, I love the Chevrolet. Look what's under the hood of the Chevrolet truck. Open engine. I guess it's 8 cylinders. Turbo, supercharger. Wow. This is wild, man.
This is for an heist.
Yeah.
See the side mirrors.
See
the side mirrors.
Bank robbery. Bank robbery or heist. You need something like this. You actually, when you did the heist, then you drop the bank, and then you gotta change the car and get into something like this. So you look completely civilian, and no matter how far you go, police will catch you in this. Please don't try to run on this. You think something like that. Like, you don't know what is this car, but you know, you can tell. Chrome alloys.
Yeah, the Trump used to come in this WWE.
Yeah, Ric Flair. Ric Flair. Why is the side mirror here?
I don't know. From inside they can look.
This is what I mean, bro. The cars like this, you'll not find in Dubai. You have to come to Abu Dhabi. What an epic event this has been, like, honestly. Multi-trillion cars, we get to see the drag races. We're currently at the Yas circuit racing track over here where, like, normally the Formula 1 racing driver used to drive, but now they're just testing out top speeds of Porsches, Maseratis, Aston Martins. Yeah, so it's been really epic, guys. Thanks for tuning in for today's video. If you like it, please like, comment what's your favorite car, and you know where I'll be. Peace out.